Hello students, I welcome you all to Brilliant Public School's online channel. Today we will discuss about chapter 15 probability of class 10th mathematics. So let us start. Statistics, likelihoods and probabilities. They mean everything to man but nothing to the God. So I have started with a thought. Let us move to the concept. Probability, the very first thing that comes to our mind when we think about probability is possibility. What is the possibility of any type of event? So it's a branch of mathematics that deals with the occurrence of random event. Events are very simple, all the happenings we consider as events, whether it is tossing a coin, picking up a card, or throwing a dice and getting some number on the upper face. These all things are our events. When we talk about the probability, it is always between 0 to 1. Okay, 0 will be there for all the impossible events. If we have some events whose occurrence is completely 0, there is no chance for that event to occur, so its probability will be 0. When we have a certain event, we also say it is like sure event. So for that, the probability of such events is always 1 because there are 100% chances for the event to occur. Now, if we talk about some other events which are not impossible and sure event, so those type of event having a probability which is greater than 0 and lesser than 1. So all such probabilities are basically between 0 and 1. If we talk about the formula of probability, so theoretical probability is number of the favorable outcomes. What we want divided by the total number of possible events. Like simply if I will talk about outcomes when I am tossing one coin. So that is very simple. Suppose we start our cricket game with that tossing of a coin. So tossing a coin has basically two outcomes. So that is head and tail. Suppose I have selected head, so there is one outcome in my favor out of two. So the probability that I will start the game is 1 by 2. So this is the formula, number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of possible outcomes. These are the list of those 36 outcomes you can count. Those 36 outcomes when we talk about tossing of two, sorry, not tossing, throwing of two dices. So basically here we have a list of 36 outcomes. The question can come as the sum should be 7 or sum should be 7, or it is a prime number and a composite number, or both the numbers need to be prime, both the numbers need to be composite. So that type of question can come, and no doubt we have total number of 36 outcomes in this. Then we have tossing two coins simultaneously. So basically coins I have not written. You see, if we I have already discussed that basically when we toss a coin we have two outcomes. So let us see when we toss two coins together how many outcomes we will get. So the logic is as same as we have done for the dices. Here we have 2 to the power n outcomes, and 2 to the power n outcome means n is the number of coins. So here no doubt we have 2 to the power 2. So we have those four outcomes with us. Okay, this is these are the four outcomes: head head, head tail, tail head, and tail tail. Basically, I used to write in this manner: 2 times head then 2 times tail, then single time head tail and single time head tail. So these are those four outcomes, and there can be questions related to tossing of two coins at the same time, that is simultaneously. Moving on to the next, now we have three coins with us. So let us see how many outcomes we will get. So it is 2 to the power n means 2 to the power 3, which is 8 outcomes. So if we toss three coins together, we will be having 8 outcomes with us. So what is the way we prefer? We write 4 times head and 4 times tail, as I have told you in the previous one as well. 4 times head, 4 times tail, then make it 2 times. So head, head, tail, tail, then again head, head, and tail, tail. For the third coin, we would be working up with head, tail, head, tail, head, tail, and in the same manner, HT for the last as well. So these are our 8 outcomes. You can simply answer the question related to tossing of the three coins using the these outcomes. One more thing, if we I will write in something short for 0 head, for 1 head, for 2 head, and here we have 3 head. At the same time, when there is 0 head, there are 3 tails. For 1 head, 2 tail. For 2 head, it is 1 tail, and for 3 head, we have 0 tail. So in this, it is 1, 3, 3, 1. So suppose if someone will ask you in a quick way that what is the possibility of getting one head, only one head. So that time you don't even have to think, and you can directly write the answer would be 3 by 8. So in this manner you can answer in a short way. So remember 1331, which is also cube of 11. Then we have another interesting topic, selecting a card or picking a card from a deck of 52 cards. So 52 cards we have. Let us see, these are our 52 cards. Okay, so just see this all very nicely, because these all the things will be there, and you can answer with that. In this you can see these all are our face cards, J, Q and K. So 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, total you can say we have 12 face cards in this, and rest are the numbers. Okay, let us move ahead with the type and category of this. Here we can see we have two type of black cards and two type of red. So basically we can understand that 52 is the total, so 26 black and 22 red. In that also we have subcategories, so we can basically write four types, so 13 fours are 52 cards with us. Also, you can see this flow chart will help you out to understand that total pack of 52 cards, 26 plus 26 for red and black. Then again red is divided into 13 diamond, 13 heart, and black is divided as 13 spade and 13 club. So this we can use. Also, you can see I have told you about face cards. So basically 4 cards for J, 4 for Q, and also 4 for K. So total we have 12 face cards. So don't get confused in this, because so many times I have seen students are just struggling with what all are the face cards or not. So if I will ask you the probability of getting a face card, if I'm selecting and I want a face card, so don't forget we have 4 plus 4 plus 4, 12 face cards out of 52. You can reduce it and you can get the answer. So basically the answer would be 3 upon 13 if I divide the number by 4. So 3 by 13 is the probability of getting a face card. Thank you so much students for watching the video.